Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan again, and we are going to continue our lessons about arrays in PHP. As you see here, I have created an array and I named the array month. Okay, and it's as you can see, it's associative array. How do I know that? I know that because of this signs here, this sign here. Okay, and this one also, and this one. This means I'm assigning a key for each value or a value for each key. Okay, so this is associative array. The index has a string value, and there is nothing new for you at the moment, so let's just run it. As you can see, as expected, J goes to January, F goes to February, okay, and M of course means March, and so on. Now say I want to sort this array. Okay, I want to sort it alphabetically. How to do that? So in order to do that, I will introduce to this function. It's called sort, like that, and I just place the array I want to sort inside the brackets here, the brackets. Okay, and like that. I want you to see the result now. I will run the program. As you can see, it sorted the array, right? Here it was January 1st, then February, March, then April. Here it become April, February, Jan, March. It's sorted by alphabet, okay, from A to Z. Also, I want you to notice here something important. With that, it's the index key. Okay, the index here have, as you can see, have been changed. Also the key have been changed, the key here also have been changed, and so on. You see, it wasn't like that, right? So it was associative here, letters was J, F, M, but here it becomes what? 0, 1, 2 numeric keys. Okay, so be careful about this. If I want to sort this array in the opposite direction or reverse direction, I use the letter R before the word sort. Okay, like this. So I just type R, it become R for reverse, and sort what? The array. What the name of the array? Month. So I run the program now, run the PHP. Okay, and here is the result. For those who do not follow me from the start, this is just a browser. You can just use any browser: Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Opera. Just go to this URL and you will have the same result, but here I'm using the internal browser of NetBeans. Okay, just to make it easier for videos broadcasting. Sorry. Now, as you see also here, the keys have been changed. What if I want to sort without changing the key, while I want to keep the keys as they are? Okay, in this case I will introduce another function for you, or to you, sorry, which is called a sort. A stands for array. Array sort means sort this array while keeping the keys as they are. Okay, so let's run it now. Here we are. You see, as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, the values, the keys remain the same. Okay, and the sorting happened already. It sorted alphabetically from A to Z. Okay, if I want the opposite, I use what? I use the same as before, AR. AR soft, AR sort, sorry, AR sort means array reverse sort. Okay, let's run it, and here we go. Okay, so now you have two ways. If you want to keep the keys as they are, use the sort or r sort. Okay, if you do want to keep the keys, use r sort or sort. If you want to keep the keys, use AR sort or A sort. Start with A for arrays. Okay, hopefully that was clear. If you remember from the previous tutorials, I have shown you how I can convert an array to a string using the function called include, right? Then I also converted a string into an array using the function exclude. Okay, now I will show you something similar to that. Now say I have this array, and I want to convert it to variables. What does it mean? I want to convert this array to variables. I want to create a variable called $J, and it's equal to Jan. So Jan goes to J. Okay, $J equal Jan, and Fib goes to F. Okay, and Mar go to M, and April goes to A. I want to create these variables. Okay, how do I do that? Maybe you think that I can type something like that. I can type J equals quotation Jan, no, capital J, to be exactly the same. Okay, but what if you have an array that have hundreds of items? It's waste of time, right? So because of that, PHP has a function, built-in function, that will do this for you in just one single line. How is it? The function is called sorry for that. The function is called extract. Okay, extract. All what I have to do is just type this line, extract, sorry, again, extract. Okay, and as you see, NetBeans is trying to help me and give me the parameters for this function. It says var array. Okay, so I will choose this one. The variable I have here is, or the array I have is going to be month, like that. Okay, and I end the statement with semicolon as usual. Now this single line did what? Basically it did what I told you about. Assign the variable J the value Jan, and assign the variable F the value February, and so on until the end. In order to make sure of that, just let us print one of these values. Okay, I want to echo, say $J. Okay, as you see, I never declare J here as a variable. Okay, but because of this extract function, I have it already. Okay, let's run it. As you can see, Jan is here. Okay, so the same also for the others until A. Okay, and let's see the result. April, correct. So using this single line, this single function, it created a created variable for me. Okay, Now I want to show you something else. What if I want to do the opposite? I have some variables and I want to make an array from them. Okay, until this point, until here, after this line exactly. Let me draw this line for you. After this line, I have how many variables here? I have 4. Okay, J, F, M and A. Okay, these are the variables I have. What if I want to make an array from this variable? How to do that? Okay, easy. There is another function in PHP also. I will delete this one. It's called compact. As you can see, PHP is trying to complete for me. NetBeans is trying to complete this one for me, and it's telling me it's standard PHP function. Okay, so I choose this one, but it's a little bit tricky. Why? You may expect that I will do something like this, J for example, and F, $F, like that. Okay, and I have to give it a name. I will call it MO for example. Okay, equals $. This is how I like to do it. You may expect me to do something like that, and after that I want to echo the result of MO. MO equals compact J and F. Okay, J for January, F for February here, which have been extracted here. Okay, I have already these variables already. So I want to print that. I will just copy these ones and paste them again, because it's an array. I have to use print R. So MO, I did this one. You may expect a result here, but actually you will not get anything. Okay, as you see, you got only array. See, that means something is not correct here. What's that? This compact function takes strings. Unfortunately, it's not variables. Means I have to place the J here between two quotation, and the F here also between two quotation. When I run it now, and now I got the J goes to Jan and F goes to February. Okay, so be careful about it. It's a little bit tricky, and you may scratch your head. Why it's not working? Why it's not working? Why it's not working? It's not working because should not be $sign here at all, and also cannot use J and F without quotation. Okay guys, it must be in this form. Okay, I hope that was useful for you, and thank you very much for watching my videos, and talk to you soon. Hello guys, I found that I have 1 minute and about 25 seconds, so I said okay, I want to explain this more to you. I have here created a variable called A, and it contains this text A, and another one contains named B and contains this text here, and I'm using the compact function to convert these two variables and place them in an array called MO. Okay, and I did that because I don't want you to think this is I have to have an array in order to do that. I will delete this array, these letters. Only what I have is this now. Okay guys, so now when I play this one, okay, as I expected, I have an array. It's called the key of it, first key is A and goes to A, B and goes to B. This I wanted to make it clear for you that you don't need to have an array and convert it back. It's just any variable like that. Thank you very much again for watching my video, and talk to you soon.